In the past few years, PathPilot has been recognized as one of the easiest to master, yet feature-packed CNC control systems currently available. At Tormach, we are committed to PathPilot's continued growth. Our software engineers are constantly adding new features that you can request on our feature request page. With PathPilot, you won't have to worry about the cost of adding the latest and greatest features, they're already there. And since PathPilot updates are free, you'll always have access to the latest technology without paying annual maintenance or upgrade fees.
PathPilot's enhanced look-ahead trajectory planner improves the speed of machining. It combines operations within program tolerances, resulting in a better finish and much faster cycle times. With the visual conversational programming feature, PathPilot can walk you through an intuitive step-by-step template to quickly write G-code for milling and lathe sequences.
PathPilot's memory has been expanded with the newest release.
Now it offers 85 gigabytes at no extra charge. Now you can fit years of G-code files, JPEGs, PDF job setups, and setting backups. The inclusion of a customizable reference position allows the user to set a preferred table location for easy part loading or inspection. All the software is included to connect PathPilot with Wi-Fi.
So you can retire those USB drives forever. You can post out of your CAM software to your Dropbox G-code folder, even when the machine is out in the shop and off. The next time you power it on, the sync happens immediately, and you're ready to sling chips.
The USB I/O kit allows you to add aftermarket accessories, such as an auxiliary pump, part loaders, probes, and more.
PathPilot supports up to 4 USB I/O kits for a total of 16 ins and 16 outs. So you can see, with all these included features, PathPilot should become your standard for low-cost CNC control.